Well, more than a dozen earthquakes rattled central Oklahoma over the weekend. You feel them? And because of those quakes, a lot of insurance agents say their phones were ringing constantly with people wanting insurance for earthquakes.
It makes sense. So how easy or expensive is it to get that earthquake insurance? News 9's Heather Hope joins us with the answers. Heather.
Kelly and Amanda, several insurance agents say getting earthquake insurance requires a fairly inexpensive premium you can get by simply asking your agent to add it to your current policy. The weekend was off to a shaky start for many central Oklahoma residents as a series of small earthquakes shook parts of Edmond, Spencer, Jones, and Oklahoma City.
It was definitely, could feel it. It was shaking.
The highest quake was about a 3.8 magnitude in Edmond. The sudden shake sent many calling their insurance agents Monday morning.
Most of today's calls are what does it take to get additional coverage for earthquake type insurance.
The Oklahoma Agency Alliance represents 93 insurance carriers. The company's CFO, Lance Singleton, says getting earthquake insurance is fairly cheap and simple.
Your $100,000 home, it can be endorsed maybe as low as $45, and it could be as much as $200 to $300.
Singleton says premiums depend on your location and can be added or endorsed to your current homeowner's insurance. Insurance carriers offer deductibles as low as 2% of the value of your home and as high as 20%. So for a $100,000 home with a 10% deductible, you'd pay $10,000 before any insurance would pay the damages.
What is it worth to you? And adding a $300 policy or even a $500 policy to protect $100 to $200 to, a $500,000 home is relatively inexpensive.
And the cost of adding on earthquake insurance for most Oklahomans ranges from about $60 to $300 annually, depending on your carrier. Be sure to check if exterior brick veneer is included. Heather Hope, News 9.